COVID-19 has definitely sparked some creative outbursts, and my guest today is definitely a testament to that. Zhayna, go on.
I'm here. What's up?
First of all, I love your name. Spell it for you. Come on, let me know the beauty of the name.
Thank you. It's Zhayna.
So interesting and so unique, so different. Where you got that name?
My mother.
It's your birth name?
Yes, it's my birth name.
Mommy creative.
Yes.
Mommy,
I mean, she reads a lot, so it was a name that she found in a book, really and truly. But it wasn't exactly Zhayna, it was Zhana. And then she changed it to Zhayna.
For those who are not familiar with your sound, tell me 3 words to describe the sound of Zhayna.
Okay, the sound of Zhayna is some Jamaican flavor. Yeah, whether it be reggae or dance or even ska. Could be mental. Yeah, it all depends on the vibe. And also, I dabble in different genres, so I can't necessarily give you 3, but I dabble in like genres like rock, R&B, neo soul, jazz, even classical if I feel like it.
Do you consciously put effort into like maintaining that Jamaican sound in your music?
Yeah, I try as best as possible to keep that Jamaican flavor so I can still connect to the people of my country.
What do you think about overall, like even just the new sound of like where our music is overall? Are you bothered by the fact that it's so eclectic nowadays?
I'm not bothered by any kind of music, really. Music is music and it's going to evolve, so I have no problem with it.
Talk to me about your new single.
Okay, my new single is called Runaway. It's my debut single. So it's really exciting for me to know that I now have new music out there. You know, I'm really used to being a supporting vocalist. Yes, so I'm really a supporting vocalist for Coffee. We've been touring and all that. But yeah, so now I'm venturing into this new thing, and it's really exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. Runaway was really something I wrote during 2020, like the whole Corona situation. Basically thinking about things that have been happening around 2020, whether it be the coronavirus, whether it be the lockdown, even things that were happening in America like police brutality, you know, the Black Lives Matter movement, all of these different things. And I feel like people can relate to this type of song because we're all kind of feeling like we want to escape from all of these situations, you know, like we want to run away, literally.
True.
So that's really what I was thinking about when I wrote this song, Runaway.
Is it difficult for you to transition from being a supporting vocalist?
I'm used to also doing solo stuff, like I do solo gigs myself, as well as I do supporting gigs. So it's not that difficult. I've been singing all my life.
And this is a very well-written song. Where does that come
Thank you.
from with you? How long have you been writing? Where does that, you know?
Okay, so writing for me is it's kind of a sensitive topic because I've always felt like I'm not the best writer. I've always stuck to mainly singing, and this for me is even a milestone.
If you could collaborate with 3 people across any one of those genres, maybe one dancehall, one jazz, and one R&B,
Look at that.
Names.
Okay, I'd definitely love to collaborate with her.
Her?
Yeah, I'd love to collaborate with Daniel Caesar. Actually, was on tour with Daniel Caesar.
Daniel Caesar bad.
Yes,
Bad.
yes, I love him. Even before we were on tour, it was
Him and her have a song together, right?
Yeah, Best Part.
Yeah.
I did a cover of that song as well.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, on Coach series.
Where can we find it? It's on YouTube?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, and jazz-wise, I don't know, not jazz, so you can even make up a name now right now if you want to.
If Ella Fitzgerald was alive, I would definitely collaborate with her.
There you go.
Yes.
And give me one reggae and one dancehall.
Okay, so reggae definitely.
You said Chronics.
Chronics. I would definitely collaborate with Coffee as well. Dancehall, Shensia is a vibe.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, that would be a vibe. And let's see, maybe Cartel.
Hey.
Wow. Yeah, it would be it would be like a fusion vibe.
Nice.
You know what I mean? Like they wouldn't expect that coming.
Yeah.
You know, type of vibe. And I'm that type of person.
That answer, you know, you have
Yeah, like
Chronics, Coffee, and Cartel.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, you have to
very
mix it
very
up.
versatile. Very versatile. Lastly now, I want you to tell me what most makes Zhayna intense.
What makes Zhayna most intense is the fact that I can connect with people through music.
Witness the movement, witness the journey.